on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. You're in for a really great show today. Hope you had an amazing night last night and a great trading day. We did. Why? Because we do every single day. We have a trader that I'm going to show you in the room that has been with Mojo for 34 days, has taken the Mojo University courses, and is up a whopping, yes, a whopping, as you saw in the today's cover photo right here, guys. Check it out. He's up $480,000 in 34 days. Some of his P&L large for the days have been $103,385, a $73,000 day, a $61,000 day, yeah, close to 62, and a $17,000 day. Just as some examples. It's amazing winners, guys, from these picks right here. 100% winner. All amazing winners, guys, in the market. That's what we hit. I'm telling you, look at them. KRTX, ARV. Number one, I got the volume. I got it all happening with the Mojo Day Trading, guys. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. We traded AUPH today, 1520 range. I had a high average. Most of the average was around 1480, 1490, under 15. The stock's now at 1598 with a high of 1748. Been a tremendous winner in the Mojo Day Trade Room. You can't tell from this chart, but if we scroll back to the open right here, you could see some really nice moves that the stock made right here at the opening of the market. It went from a low right here of 1482 and it skyrocketed up without stopping to 1745. It's a pretty nice action right there. So you got right there at the open, made a beautiful move up. Your second trade could even have been there if you weren't in. And then it made another run up. We actually waited this whole time, which was a long time. Right now, it's only 1:30, but it feels like we've been trading for a week in the Mojo Room. So this whole time, I didn't do a trade. And all of a sudden, on this bar right here, I called the buy. And look what it did. It did this little rocket in the circle right there. Amazing. And then we sold it, and I waited, and on the bottom of that red bar, I got in again, it went up again, and we sold it. And now we waited, and on the bottom of this bar right here, got in long, added there, and now it's going through 16 again. And this mirage is how we traded the stock today, guys. If you was in the Mojo Room, you would have been trading it. And you're like, oh, dude, look, he manipulated the stock and made it run up. What, are you kidding me? It's traded 32 million shares, guys. 32 million times a $16 stock is like $5 billion of money. Mojo's doing what? Mojo's doing what? So come on, guys. That's how you make dollars, is by getting it at 15 under and then letting that baby ride. So let's head on over to the Mojo Room and let's see from the open, if you would have been in today's action, what you would have done along with the other guys in the room. And we traded UVXY from 1599. That went up to 1670 straight off the bat. If you want to see that beautiful chart right here on the open, you could see right here. Let me just scroll back the time a little bit. You got 930 right here on the open, same move. We were just in those two stocks, and it made a similar kind of move. Straight up to the top without stopping, and on that red bar, when she curled through STO about right there, right here is when she curled through STO, and we were out. So that's beautiful change. So let's head over to the Mojo Room, scroll down there, and we'll see what... welcome new Trader Wolf to the room. He got in going on with that, and I just got him enrolled in the Mojo. What's the link above? No, it's free. It's free for you, bud. For the members. You're a member now. I hooked you up, dude. Isn't that amazing? You're going to use that money you would have spent. Amazing. You would have used the money you would have spent on your trading account. Use that money you would have spent normally and fund an account soon. Hooking you up. You better bash somebody and believe it. That's what I do. I'm showing Tweety right here. See, I was helping him up with the golf, man. So check it out. He's like, Mike, I seriously want to move forward with the student program. He's like, I'm impressed right here. So check it out. He's like, I'm showing him the hotkeys right here. So everyone needs these hotkeys. You press the 100 and it just buys 100, 500, selling that 100, selling that 500, or selling 3/4 of that position. He saw me at the driving range spanking the ball. So I'm like, thanks. I carry it 300 smooth. Says your trades follow your golfing skill set. And here's a little video. There's me right there coming in. See me with the lag, elbow in. Look, see, I got the elbow in, right? Head will not move off that ball. Head in this little circle right here. See, I start right here. Head still in the circle. See that? In the circle the whole time. Still in the circle. Watch it. 310 carry. 310 carry. 340 yard drive. 340. So you see it right up here. 326 yards. It's still rolling. In the corner, you see it up there. Woo! See, I do the woo like JB does the woo when he jumps out on the lake. I do the woo there, baby. And here's all my stats. So you go into the board, it shows you your drive, 344, 310 carry with a slight draw with no spin. And it's all in the grip, guys. It's how you grip the club. So if you look right here, this has a shaft runs from the base of the left pinky through the middle index finger. It's called the thenar eminence, the lifeline Palomar crest with the hypothenar eminence. This right here, see this? This is this pad. Needs to be on top of the shaft, not underneath. So if you hold it in your palm, this right here is going to be underneath the shaft of the club, not on top. So your wrist isn't going to cup and you're not going to be able to come into this position on impact, which is the tight V position like Ben Hogan right here. And you could see how Ben's got that really, the wrist is just really quick. And he's got that lean forward right there in the knee. And this is curled in and his head is right on the ball, right? That's Ben Hogan, right? And then this is me. So you got Ben Hogan and then you got the Mojo. See my head right there on the ball. I got the same leg here. I got the same lean forward right here. And I got the same, that's me and Ben Hogan, bros. And I got the same grip. That's why Mojo's crushes the ball, dude. I'm just like the Ben Hogan right there. You could see there's Ben. So this is what you don't want to do. So if you're holding the club in your palm, you're going to come in shallow. But if you're holding it in your fingertips with the hypothenar eminence on top of the shaft. So if this was the shaft, you want the club here, in here with this on top. So this right here is sitting on top of the club, not underneath. So here it's sitting under the shaft. See it? Here it's sitting on top. Here on top of the shaft. So here it's on top in the fingertips. Here in the palm, this thenar eminence is underneath. You see it? It's under the shaft. And that's not good. You want it here where it's on top of the shaft. And you have a lot more power in your fingertips. And what it does is it builds this muscle right here in your hand. Look at it. See it? Look at that. It's like a tumor. It's hard as a rock. And that's from holding it in your finger. So you'll come through impact and you'll really compress the ball like you never have before, adding thus 30 yards on your drive.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah! Yes.
Yes. And it works for men and women, guys. So that's the grip, like Ben Hogan. Respectable. So still I have to put in my no information. No information. Just enroll. Your name. I'll get notified. I'll check it out. Let's head over to the main screen. And I'll get notified when you do it. Let's check it out, see if you've done it. Got a couple people join today. Yeah. Oh, that's John. Let me just check it out. Yep, so there you go. You're enrolled. Now, I'm going to load the courses for you. You head back to the room so you can watch me help them out. So I'm hooking them up. So I go into the enrollments. I go to online course, enroll. So you don't got to pay $1,500 like all the other guys out there that are charging for their stuff, which may not even work for you. It may be great, but it may not work for you. Then you wasted your money. Then you got no money. So refresh. See it? See that course? Beautiful. So right there, guys, we're coming in the morning in the MOJO Day Trade room, and it's 9:18. I got my live screen share going for the members. You're a subscriber with that link above special. It's $149 per month. You get both the MOJO Day Trade room and the Swing Trade newsletter. Instead of $199, it's 30% off. Swing trading, here's 2 picks for you that are in the swing that were picked on 11/25. Banano Synomics. Some Bingo Therapeutics. I don't even know the name. It was just so hot at $5 a couple of weeks ago at 92 cents. To go through $1, it's at $1. I picked it at $1.01. Stop loss at 92 cents. BNGO is on the gainers list today. So if you look right here on the gainers list for today, which is right here, it's number 9 at $1.04 with a high of $1.30. I took some profits on that. And then you got C Change, SCAC, which is number 15 on the gainers list, is at $4, but it was at $4.56, and I took profits on that one as well. So 2 of those on the gainers list, both Mojo swing picks, both taken for profits. Here's some of my closed positions for the day. Right here. I closed. I got stopped out of Tattoo. I lost 22% and $1,000. Done. Sync, I made $41 and 4%. Zynga, 2% and $45. AYTU, these are all closed today. Today. All of these. Till all of them. I'll show you all of them. So they're really good. So you got this one went up, and I have half positions of all of them left. AYTU up 5%, up 7.6. This one down 1, 7.6, up 19% on ATNM, up 8.4 on DPW, up 10.4 on SHIP, up 3.5 on Sync, up 6.6 on NEO, up 15.6 on MLSS. Here's a nice one. UVXY up 8.99. That was a nice profit there. Had a bigger position in it. And then 6.11 here, closed. 12.79 on SHIP. PLG was 6.11. OPGN was 12.6. GameStop was 11.5%. C Change again closed 11.2% at 10.04. This one closed 9.3% at 10.03. This one closed 18. That's BNGO. I told you BNGO. 18% at 10.02. 1,000 beans on that one. Then you got 2.3 on this one. 4.55 on this one. 1.63 closed at 10 a.m. today on this one. NEO 21% and a 2G closed on that one. 16% gain on MLSS closed on this one. 33% gain on Express, the women's clothing store, on that one closed. Another Express, 2 positions, that one for $500, that one for $1,000, closed at 16.84%. Then Savara closed this morning at 9.56 at 24.53% gain. C Change again, another position, closed at 21.24. Mara closed at 19.05 for a beautiful $1,000 gain. Then AVGR for almost $1,000 for 19.67. Then I hit some stop losses last week. So you could see the power of the Mojo picks. One loser stopped out and all those winners. And my open positions now with cash available of $284,000 is I got you guys up 12% and 1,200, up 12% and 1,200, up 12% and 1,200. 3 positions of you guys. UVXY up 2% and 200, 2% and 200, 3%. Then I'm down in this one, 12. Could come back. I may get stopped out of it. ACHV up 10% right here. Let's close this one. I'm not going to close that one yet. So let's go on all these other ones. I got them right here. Jax Pacific up not that much on it. NEO up 15%. Got 5,000 of those left. Got 2,500 Zkin. Got 1,000 EXPR left at 44% gain. Well, that's enough on EXPR, right? That's a profit. Let's get out of that one. So that'll be a closed position. Let's close that. Process that one right there. That's off the list right there. Done. Now more cash available. What else we got? Mara up 21% now on that position. That's pretty good. This one's up 26%. And there you go. MBII, a little crone down there. A little more Jax Pacific, as low as 89 cents on Jax Pacific. And that's it. And I got these 2 little, 2,000 little tiny cryptocurrency. So the Mojo picks are just phenomenal on the swing side. And you can see the dollars that are being made on the swing. Beautiful right there. So we hit a C change. There's the chart on the C change. Last quarter, 58% increase in revenues from 18.8 million from 11.9, going from a loss of $1 to a loss of 4 cents to a gain of 23 cents. Dude, that's huge. On a 36 million float with 25% owned by funds, they're trading 1.4 million versus 255. That's 5 times the average volume. It's a no-brainer from 230. It's on the gainers list right now. That was on September 1st. Now it's $4. Stock's gone up 100% and was 450. Here it's 250, 230. Guys, it's rolling. I'm telling you. Here's BNGO right there at 88 cents. BNGO was $1.30 today. The pick was right there. BNGO on 11/10 of 2019. It's 12.5. That was 3 weeks ago. They did a 3.3 million versus a 2.2 million. A beautiful increase. And some nice going from a loss of $2.22 to a loss of $1.26, and it went to $4.70. So at 88 cents, it's looking good. And now it's at $1.30, taking some profits on BNGO right there, 11/10 swing pick. This one at 88 cents is now $1.20 from October 29th. That's SES right here. It made a big spike up to 21, and right here at $6, it's a very little risk and a high reward. Worked out very, very well. here's how this guy traded. He bought 1,000. This is trader Nathan. He bought 1,000 shares at 639. So make believe it was 10,000 shares for the larger traders like Richie, or 100 shares for the smaller trader, which may be like you. You buy 100 at 639 and you sell half at 787 and then the other half at 823. So 63,000 turned into like 80,000. Beautiful trade. Sav is moving. All my swing picks are moving. So here's a trade right here on AUPH. So we go, it's dropping off the open. So we're going to enter right here. Ready? Here's the trade. 1485. AUPH. 1490. Here it goes. This is a skittle. If I put out 3 of these in a row, you need to buy it. It's called the skittle. See if he enrolled. No, actually, I can change it. It'll go back. He's in. All right, refresh. You're in. So we go 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We're going to start to sell here. Sell a little bit. 40, 45, 50. Sell more right here. So you should have like half left or a quarter left, and we're going to trail it at 25, 15. And everybody's in. So he's in since 1477. He's in since 1483. And now it's 1570. You're up 1 point. He sold at 41. He's still in at 1511. Trail it now. It's 1551. Now it's 1585 by 90. Now it's going for 16, and we're done for the day in 3 trades. And here it is at 16. Boom. 1613. Sell right here and trail whatever you have left at 16. And there it is. It's over at 1570. Show me the money. Mojo 620. Batman 132. Allen 2118. Nice job. Nice. Pro Trader Mar 699 ATM rung for the day. Nice job. Derby 298. Nice job. Great run from 1477. And Ozzy, who hopefully will join the room, says this is one of the best trading groups. And thank you for that. And it is. Out at 1609 for 208 bucks. Mr. Boyd, small trader. Excellent job. That's probably like a 30% gain on his account. Slab made $20.50. It's still a profit on a $1 per share move. My first day here listening, and there you go. So we're done for the day at 9:46 a.m. The goal is to be done by 11 a.m. We don't trade to have fun. We trade as a business, and when it presents itself, we make money. That's what we do. If you push it, it doesn't work. So we have right here the move through 16, and we go 16, 13, 14. It's a skittle, so buy at 15 no matter what. And there it goes, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's UVXY, and it goes to 70. It goes right to 70. 22, 23, 24. More skittles. 25, 26, 27. There's a lot of skittles there, guys. A lot of skittles. My video's going after my show. After my show, dude. We're done for the day. So, back right here, I messed up I'm not going back to that again. So, behind 16 right here, AUPH is 1613 with a trail. Here's UVXY trade. I mean, great thing to be in the Mojo room, in the day trade room in the morning.
Well, yes.
It's a great thing to be in the Mojo Day Trade room in the morning. And then what a run from 1584. Goes 16, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 50. Look at all those skittles, dude. 52, 53, 55, 56, 57. Look at that. Look at that move on that rail grind on that UV. 58 done for the day at 10:10 a.m. Look at that, guys. 10:10. UV, big rip, beautiful. There's the beautiful UV rip. Amazing. Love it. We were in that. Then we're going to do a trade on AUPH. It presented itself. So we did it. AUPH 1527 to 32. Oh, my mic's not on in the room. I thought my mic was on in the room. I'm live on YouTube, guys. So we got 1527 to 32. Let's see, make sure I'm on the right screen. So we got 1527 to 32, a new trade on AUPH, 34, 35, 38, 42, 45, 50, 52 sell, guys. So I tell you exactly when to buy, exactly when to sell, making money like a ching-ching. And there you go. So we're in HEPA right there. HEPA did a nice little move, and there you go, HEPA. And then AUPH was a great pick. HEPA worked out nice. Then we got in again on AUPH right here. There's some size at 70, and we're going to go take a move 80, 90 into 16. If it does that, it's a huge one. So you're at 1570, and then we're already at 16. It made a huge move, 90. So here's the signal. You could see here the signal at 16. It's going to blow through that. And from 1021.14 to 1024.22, it's already up 20 cents higher. The 11 to 20 is so fast. And it goes 30, 40, and 50. Power move up on that. Then it goes 60, 70, 80, and 90. It's going to Heinz 17 and does it. There's another big signal there, just like there was at 16. And it goes straight up sold from 1028.47 to 1028.57 within 10 tenths of a second. It went from 16.99 through that 17, and now it's at 17.32. Timestamp proven with huge money being made in the Mojo room by the traders. Okay, let me show you how much money is being made in this room by the traders. Okay, AUPH, beautiful, still holding 17. It's amazing. First UVXY trade sold 16.55, holding 50. Nice job. Good work. So Roku short did not work at 150. Someone wanted a short Roku, and I said no. And Roku, glad we didn't. Okay. So right here, he says Workhorse was the first stock I seen not go through Heinz. Low volume this morning, though. Mental, okay? So let me just tell you right here, he's trying to like prove it that there hasn't been a stock to go through the even number. Let me educate you a little bit about the Heinz. It's no day trade, so it's not even a Heinz candidate because it's trading low volume, okay? Eliminates it right there. However, it did start at 278. Not at 290, which is way down the block on that percentage kind of move on that kind of stock. If it started at 290, it would be a different story where it is now. And with a high at 297 has put it too far down the block with no volume to put it up and through. So it never was a Heinz candidate, and it's not the first one, not the Heinz. But give it a day or two, and I'm sure it will go through 3. Thanks for pointing that out. I hope you learned something. And that was on WKHS. The symbol WKHS, and the stock right now is 292, still with a high at 297, and it's spiking as we speak. So we have 2 more hours. It still may go through $3. Just took a longer time, but it's not a Heinz candidate. Now it is. It's traded 1.9 million, but at the time when it traded very smaller volume, it wasn't. Okay. A super trade on AUPH today. It was just like Superman. So if you want to feel Supermanish and see what's the hot stock going to be taken off for the day and you're going to be Superman in the room, you'll be all over that, okay? Another one of my stocks on the gainers list is right here called SEAL, SEEL, up 12.5% to 107. That's SEAL, SEEL. That's being sold today too. 23.53%. So right here you have the followings. we have selling these today. Here's the swing trade portfolio right here. I have some of these left, so these are being sold. So you have whoop, NVAX even, NVAX even. Rumble On stopped out at 20%. Spar Group even. CUI 12.38%. Bat Group 16.92. GLG, and then Sava 18.75 from 160 to 190. GLG 130 to 152. CUI 105 to 118. Seneca Biopharma, SNCA, 85 to 98, all today on the 5th. Closed straight down, taking profits on these babies, on parts of the positions to all of them. So right here you got 18.75 on Sava, 160 to 190. Seneca, 85 to 98. ITP Packaging, 93 to 103. Celios, which is, I just told you, 85 to 105, 23%. VLRX, 147 to 60. OTIC, 251 to 55. Sync, SYNC, 169 to 75. Achieve Life Sciences, 88 to 99. And DPW from 80 to 89. Those are some solid pick actions with one loser in the red right there and all winners down the line. So from 33 to 46 is 13 picks, one loser with an average gain of 8.25%. That's pretty damn spanky nice, man. Pretty nice right there on that. Absolutely. Let's head back over to the Mojo room. So after feeling like Superman, I needed a little break. Excuse me. And I'm sure that you did too. So let's check out an amazing video and let's see JB go woohoo if he jumps on the water today. Let's see some really cool, amazing videos. All right, wakeboarding back in the Philippines. Ooh, look, see?
You'll build a more fundamentally...
Look, see, that's the bad. Look, that's bad. See how he's holding it in his palm? And it's flat. That should be pointed up.
Pounds.
Look, terrible.
Swing. As your body develops muscle memory of the correct
this guy is better. Look. Let me rewind. Can I rewind? I can't, but he came down much steeper.
You'll not only lose the over-the-top...
See that nice angle right there with the wrist, the cup? Because he don't even have it in the... He added to the fingertips, but he may have it in there. I could see his fingers are on the club.
Move that causes slices, fat shots...
What's up, y'all? Me, Graham, Nick, Dave, and Trevor. We all just finished up judging a contest here at Republic for like the last 2 days. It was called the AM Jam. But now we're headed to CWC. We're loading up a van right now, and the van is way too small for all of us. But we're going to make it work.
That's fun.
Heading outside right now. But yeah, let's go catch up with them. What do we got going on here?
This is take number 2. Okay, so this is... Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Thank you. The cable's not open yet, but Nick and Trevor are going to have a private session on this wall right here. I can't film that just because, like, they're saving it for, like, a video or something. All right, same thing as last lap, but this time we're just going to do a big old indie tantrum. So I'm going to edge over here, get in a butter slide.
Oh, this is going to be big.
The cable. Edge right into this thing. Here we go.
Sweet.
Hitting the GP feature with a big old towback 3 over the whole Jeep. Since we did a toe back 3 last lap, I'm going to do a switch heel back 3 over the Jeep this time.
Sweet.
180, then tail wheelie the top of the Jeep.
Oh, man, I wish I was out there doing that, guys. I'm just Pro Trader Mike. That's JB O'Neill, so it is what it is. Let's see what's hot and not in the market, shall we, guys? You love that. Nice. AUPH is at a buy zone, 1507 stopping station, guys. If you want to take a look, let's head over to the Mojo room for a sec. So after that break, guys, on AUPH right there, check out what happened. It's 11:30. I'm looking for something right here. I think it was earlier, guys. Yeah. So let's head back up. Just check out what's going on right now. No free trial. You're in the free trial. You're in the free trial. You're in the free pass trial. Oh, what does he got to say? Okay, great. What does he have to say? How do I see your screen share? In the room. Here's the screen share. That's how you see the screen share right here. How do you use screen share? Dude, I have a video for everything, dude. Watch that video, dude, to show you how to use the screen share. Absolutely. You can't see the channel unless you're a member. You see it above my head, screen share? If you're not a member, you can't even see it. It's a private channel. Just like this one is, Mojo University. You can't see this channel either with my V-band examples and all my things that I'm getting ready for my new course for my Mojo University. You know what I'm saying? Everything happens in the day trading channel. So let's get up to Richie today. Save the best for last right here. Richie Rich today. Right here. So let's go right here. And I got an email this morning from Pro Trader Richie. And here it is. And I will read it to you. And I will share some screenshots with you. And actually, I will take a screenshot of it. Okay. Okay, let me just make sure I have his email taken away. Let me just save this. Okay. Take a couple screenshots. From the email. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we have day trading. Richie right here. His first 34 days with Mojo. 480,000. Can say he made 253,000 profit for the month of November in his first month with the Mojo team. He never made a profit prior in the 6 months when he was trading on his own and without a compass. He also made 227,000 for the first 3 days of December. Right there on Monday, the stock exploded and rode the rail grind for 182,225 for swing trade profits. Appreciate you and the team. See that, guys? Here's the email. Hey, Mike, here's why I've been quiet this week in the room. I haven't been chatting much because I've been banking. Share my success with you privately and explain why I haven't been chatting this week. Now, I know what I'm doing as a trader, thanks to you. I usually keep the sound down on my computer and don't listen to what's coming over the mic. Why? I'm trying to stay laser focused on about 8 to 10 swing positions each day and try to keep 1 or 2 day trades going as well. I'm not the world's best multitasker like you, so I try to distractions to a minimum. Anyway, I've made $205,450 trading KOD in the last 3 days. I bought 6,475 shares of KOD, spread out into 3 accounts last week. On Monday, the stock exploded, rode the rail grind to a total profit of 182,225 in swing trade profits and went flat. On Monday, the stock exploded and I rode the rail grind to a total of 182,000. And on Wednesday, I bought 3,000 shares spread over 2 accounts as a day trade and made another $23,225 on KOD. As also you were talking over the mic what kind of money I made on November. I didn't answer because I was back in a couple of trades. The answer, I made $253,000 profit for the month of November in my first month with the Mojo team. I've never made a profit prior in the 6 months when I was trading my own without a compass. I've also made $227,000 for the first 3 days of December. Total profit for 34 days is $480,000. And here's the trades. Right here, $5,800 trading on that one. This is the KOD, $17,425. Another one right here, $61,000 for the day, $980. Another $47,027 in that day. This day, $73,307 right there, proven right there. And then you scroll back up a couple of days ago, and he was banging them out then, right here, in the beginning of the month. Where's that? 103 Jabones here in the profit album. Right here. Oops, I did it again. Like going back to the well and got out 28,322.77. And he did it again. I was in HEPA. HEPA right there on the big move on HEPA. And this was the original one at 14,110 on HEPA, and went back to the well and did it again before the other day on CGC with $30,852 win just on CGC, where he hated this stock before I introduced the profits to him. And then right there, he did another day of 6,421 on CGC. Another beautiful, I was on 11/20, November 20th. And then on 11/19, he made on this trade on MYOV $103,385.23 on one trade in one day. And that's all proven, guys, happening in the Mojo Day Trade Room. He doesn't trade for Mojo. It doesn't say on the bottom of the email or his thing, oh, he's like Jason and the other guys. Read the disclaimer. They're all trading on behalf of Raging Bull. It's not their money. And, you know, this is completely different. This is the Mojo chat room. My people that tell me what's going on is current and from the day, and it's all from the hottest stocks that are happening in the market. It's what we do. Awesome. Nice. Tula. Awesome. Congrats. You love the TEFS. You could set up my screen just like yours. Let me show you. Here's my screen. Copy that. Set up that. And the hotkeys, if you need help, I'll help you. Let me know. That's with the Tula. That picture ain't coming in, but I'll take a screenshot of my layout for you. Right there. So I take a screenshot, set that up. They just got the platform set up today, so rocking and rolling on that. AUPH might have found bottom right here, 1507 stopping station, guys. If you like my videos and what I got going on, just give me a little subscribe and a thumbs up, guys. When you give me a thumbs up and a like, Google recognizes that. And they say, wow, this guy, I know how many people watched it. Look how many people gave a thumbs up. That high percentage is a quality video. I'm going to show and recommend this video to other people that may be interested in day trading. So if you give me a thumbs up and a like, that's how the algorithms work on the Google. Absolutely. It's like, dude, we're machines here, dude. We're machines. I told you guys, see the holiday lights? It ain't no trick. It's real deal. The holiday lights is a trick, but the guy making the money is real deal, and he's not the only one. He's just a large one. The success of the other traders has been phenomenal, and you should all take advantage. Right now, I got a special. It's not Thanksgiving anymore, so I got to change that. So let's see right here what we're going to change that to. We're just going to do the special, 30% off. That's all. Holiday special, guys. 30% off that membership on that page. Everybody should do it because it's a great deal. All right there, Mojo Day Trading, man. Absolutely. You want to see that on the main screen? We got AUPH 1530 making a big move back up. I told you it was gonna. You're in the trade. I told you it was gonna. Doing my show. Can't talk now. And in the future, know when I am doing a show and watch it, because you'll learn something. You know what my show is, right? Some people, man, I don't know sometimes. Here we go, guys. 1540 now, really spiking up. Really spiking up. So I gave the perfect track trading system sheet out to the room. My system obviously works. It's an amazing video and system. And yeah, great. So see you later. After my show. Don't answer back. Don't answer back here, because I have to change the screens always when someone answers. That's used for an emergency. So if I see a message from somebody, I want to know that there's an emergency. You're stuck in a trade and you need my help desperately. And no matter what I'm doing, I've got to stop and go check out that message. That's why I do that. Do you understand? Everybody understand? Everyone understand that? Everyone understand that, right? When I'm in my show and stuff. Okay, good. It's for emergencies, man, so I can help you. Otherwise, dude, I'd be doing that all day long. You know what I'm saying? Let's put this back over here. And let's check out the beautiful move. Look at this move right here. I called off the bottom on that. Beautiful move, right? Look at that move. I just called off the bottom on that. Amazing. Look at that move, dudes. Where's 1507? I didn't put it in there. Nice. That was a good move off stopping station. That red bar right there was 1490. So yeah, 1502 to 7 would have been really nice right there. Absolutely. What's up, Inside Edge? Hey, Mr. Klopper, looking forward for you for the new year, dude. You need to get set up now, getting in the Mojo room. Start watching my videos, man, for the holidays. So when the new year comes, you're not getting up then doing it. You need to come on and join. And I'm going to hook you up with the combo pack for the 149. I'll hook you up with the special. Even though you're a grandfather of the firm of the Mojo. Absolutely. See what I got here. I gave you a special little treat. I got my rainbow cookie. Special little treats for the holidays. Absolutely. So that's what we traded today. AUPH traded 36 million. And UV 12 million. Last time I sold UV was 1602. Not too bad. Awesome. Yeah, absolutely. Ready to kick some people out of this room, man. I've been showing some good picks, man. Elmira, you knew. Let me give you Turbo's message. Start a conversation with you. Check this out, folks. Would you join if I gave you these picks? Oh, I never heard of this guy either. He's new. C King. 5-0. Look, 3 new people. No, this guy, AUPH, awesome trade. I gave it to you at 1480 to 1580 at 9 o'clock. You want to be on the member? Then I message you again. It's at 1780. Dude, besides going up a point, it went up 3, and he still didn't answer. Went up 3 points, and I don't even get a reply. No feedback. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then you got this guy right here, Fusion. Look, gave it to him. Look, I gave him this pick. Richie at 103 grand. Gave him the pick. Said, dude, look, Richie just made 103,000 on MYOB in an hour. If you did a fraction of that, and then he's right here, another one up, went up through. If he no answer, banned. I'm gonna kick him and see if he comes back. That's 50H. Was that 50H? Who was that? Oh, that was Fusion. So that's this guy right here. Where is he? Fusion. Kick the Fusion. We got a bunch of people coming in maybe from the show who saw my thing. This guy right here, Jay Knoll. Look. ASLN. What do you think of ASLN? Pretty much done for the day. Special. Become a member. Amish are trying to get in and learn about it. I gave him help ever since 11/22. So he's been back and forth for a month. AUPH from 1480 to 1780. My tolerance is low, is very low. I gave it to him at 1480 to 1580. Now it's a 3-pointer. And I gave him all these other ones right here. No, this was just yesterday. He's fine. Give you a couple days, man. But if you take advantage like this guy, Project Carry, he's been here like since 11/27. What do you think of the ASLN trade? What do you think of the HEPA trade? Made 14 grand there. I also published a newsletter, blah, 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 blah. So reply or banned. If you come back, I see that, you're banned. That was Project Carry. Kick him. I get a lot of fun from kicking people from the room. Top Stock Tiger. Hello. Terps, you bottom tick that entry. That's awesome. How do you decide your entry and criteria and stop loss? Every trade is 5-to-1 risk reward. Join and learn. That's all I gotta say, buddy. My special, I'll give it to you later. At least I got a conversation with him. And who else? So many people. Yanni, look at this guy. Awesome. Yanni, so many times. How you heard me say my name? Yeah, there you go. Thanks for replying. Are you part-time or full-time trader? Show you how I hook you up, guys. This is like our little mini, like I get to know you and I'll help you out, man. Because I got that holiday special, guys. Look up above. It's 30% off. It's a great rate for you, man. Check it out. Nice. You profitable? You know what I'm saying? Good. Still the same price. Still the same. You're profitable? Nice. Good work. Let's see what's happened. Nice. You'll be signing up today, Mr. Clopper. You go to that special, baby. 30% off. Get you to swing in the day trade. Swing picks are phenomenal. Day trades are super phenomenal. Vice versa. Swings could be super phenomenal. Day trading phenomenal. Yeah. Yes, month to month. The average trader in here, the average trader, the pro, 4 years. The longest, Alan, 7 years. Let me show you something. So Rich made 480 grand, and Alan hasn't lost a day since November of 2019. Look at this. So this guy, Rich, he's made $480,000 in 34 days. And Alan, it's November of 2000, has started a win streak in November of 2014 and has losing trades, but hasn't had a losing day in the room in 5 years. Yeah. Nah, it's beyond that. Okay. I offer my free course. Same course they took for 2000 is free now. You want to join for $149 a month, and you get the course to watch for free. Mike wanted to share best trader. I ranked in second place, headed to New York City next week, visiting DOS, NASDAQ, and the floor and the other stuff. You need to wear my Mojo garb, dude. I'm sending you a hat and a shirt, dude. Absolutely. See, dude, it works, dude. You enter contest, literally winning. I was literally winning, and the winner executed a short trade in 90 seconds, left the market, beat me 100, but nonetheless wanted. Oh, you're the greatest, Derby. Thank you so much, dude. I can't wait. You're gonna take some pictures. I'll send you a Mojo hat. I'll send you a Mojo hat and a nice shirt. Okay. Bye. Insane. Yeah, Alan has not had a losing day in 5 years. You got a long ways to. Imagine how much you're going to make in 5 years here, Richie. If you've made 480,000 in a month almost. Add it up, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's a good future. Insane, right? I know. I know you have. It's a great thing. Deserves another rainbow cookie. That's a good rainbow cookie. Yeah. Okay. He did also in the beginning, dude. It took him till November of 2014. He started in 2012. He hadn't started the streak in November of 2014. It took him 2 years to start the streak. You will. When you learn how to control the losers and stay on the reservation with the system. You are. You're better. Obviously. You do things a little bit different and better, which is all good.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Well, yes.
What else we got? Oh, Alan. Want to see what Alan's got? Look, check out Alan. This is his thing from yesterday. So you guys, you know how long he's been with me, guys. You see him every day, right? He made $2,118 today. Made, 1,002 every day, dude. 1,002 every day. 1,002 every day. This is his in the room right here. So if you scroll his name, let me show you a picture he put out the other day. Saved him 500 right there. Made 1,600 yesterday. 1,674 yesterday. Right there. This is what trading with Mojo is like every day.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Nice, right? So those are Benjamins, man. So you want to join and subscribe to the Mojo with the Benjamins, man. Guys, so if you're pissed off and fed up that you haven't been making profits like this on the wrong side of the trades, hating your room moderator, hating that they're changing the name of your program again, and they don't care about you once you're in, and you just hate trading with these guys, I'm telling you, Mojo University is for you, man. Absolutely. So thanks, guys. Good day today, man, in the room. Knew it was going to be a good one because yesterday wasn't so great. Jovis, you made some comments yesterday with the big 2 thumbs. What are you going to do today? See him typing down there, Jovis trade. You guys want to see the steps to become a trader in the room? What you got to do? Let me show you. Who did I give it to? Andrew? No. He's whatever. Yanni? No. Yeah, Yanni maybe. Who did I give that to? Yiwu? No. Someone up here. I gave steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lucky I copied it. Here's the steps, guys. What you have to do. Learn a little bit about trading every day while your time's coming up. There's, you got to learn how. That's what you got to do. Step 1, become a member of the Mojo chat for $149 a month. Step 2, enroll in Mojo University course. Start watching and graduate. Step 3, get the platform with the trading account and demo mode it for the first paper trade while I coach you for a month. Step 4, once you're profitable, get it, turn it on, make it live, and make a few hundred every day as a goal. Those are the steps. There you go. That's what we do. Can you believe it's only 2:40 in the afternoon, dudes? It's like we've been in, this day's a week. It's a week. I couldn't imagine looking in at the clock in the office saying, oh my God, I got to make another phone call, man. Who would I got to call? I don't got to call nobody, dude. I got to go walk my pooch, my bust bud right there. Bobo Schnarini Schnare Bone. Hi, buddy. Me and you. Buddies. You my buddy. You my buddy. He's like, are we going? That's how you do it, folks. visit my website. If you don't change your ways for 2020, you're going to watch my videos every day. You're going to see me hit every winner every day from January 1st to December 31st of 2020, because I will. Why? Because I did it in 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, and have been for 25 years, folks. It's the same game, Pac-Man, Asteroids, Donkey Kong, that I play every day. It's not Fortnite with a million attributes and you can't get up the levels. And dude, this is simpleton, same pattern every time. Simple, masterful. Absolutely. That's what you want to do. Oh, yes. So nice. So nice. What else we got going on? I'm telling you. If you don't ask my dog, ask the cat. Ask the cat.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read the reply. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Nice. I should have thousands of people in here making money. I know, dude. Yeah, pass on the PTH, man. What are we going to get here, Sully? It's like $89.90, you know? It's like $3.90. The risk, you know, what do we... Oh, my God, dude. Just as I said that, it pops to 97. Can you believe that, dude? PTI just did that. It's got 13 million shares. Yeah, it's going to Heinz 4. But what is it going to give you? It could drop a dime, go to 83 or to 403. So you got a dime each way. 10 versus 10, bro. I don't really like it. Every time I say that, they go higher, though. So yeah, play it. It's probably it now, since it's like, that's probably 05 to 15 now. 3-to-1 risk reward for the Heinz from here. You can do it. 390, add 95, add 97 plus. Go ahead. It's happening. It's happening. That's PTI. That's a C2 PTI. So you go C2 PTI, watch. Bam. There's the chart. You want to price on it? Exclamation point price. That's all you have to do, and then press in the symbol with a space. PTI, bam, 392.5. I used to drink Kool-Aid till I met Mojo Mike. Absolutely. Here it goes, 396, 397, guys. Here it goes, 395, 396, 397. You are correct. We are in Heinz mode. But it came from 325. That's so disgusting. Look how far it came from. It came from 325 all the way up to, dude, it's not a Heinz. It's too far down the block, dude. It's too far, bro. That move from 30 to 70, we need here from 90 to 420. You know what I'm saying? That move that it did down there, right here. So I'm showing the room. Look, see? Watch, it came from so. This move right here, we need here. So if this was flat, then yes, this was it. And then it would go up again, and we'd get that one that was down here up there, and it would be good. but there's too many. Came from too far down the block here and even here. Too far down this block right here. Way too far down the block. This right down there is 325. So there you go. It's got the volume, but it's too far away. And I need a risk reward of 5-to-1 on every trade. So if I was going to risk a dime, I needed to run 30 cents. And I didn't think it was going to be running from 390 to 420, down to 8 cents. Easily weighed. Where do you learn that? In MOJO University. Yep. How much is MOJO University? $2,000. That's what it used to be. But it's free now. Because the money I want you to take to save on the education. Yeah, Jason's good, and Ross is great, and Johnny and Stoku and Tim, you know, all these guys that teach their stock courses and trading online, they're awesome dudes. They couldn't have packaged them better, made them look better, presented them better than they do. And they work, but they don't work for everyone. They work for a small few. And then they could use those successes to get in the next. To get in, it's like the cigarette company. That commercial you hear. So yeah, man. Yep. That's the deal. That's the deal. It's a shame. It's a shame you got to waste your money on these guys' courses. And they may work and they may not work. And then if they don't work, oh my gosh, you got no money left because you wasted your money on the course. But you do with me. Come into the chat room. They charge you for the chat room too and all that. But their rates are way more than mine. So if you come on in, you get that course until I teach my new one. Then we'll talk. But that's next year. And that includes the perfect trading system, which is a 30-minute fly-by power lesson on only a beginner what they need. The more advanced is the more advanced. Omer's down pretty big today. Omer's going to be coming into play tomorrow, guys. Off the bottom of this right here. So you got Omer in play for tomorrow. Be very excited about that. Because if it goes up, we're going to look at a 2-point up day. So you got Omer coming into here. This is the chart pattern that my friend likes. So Omer tomorrow, if up, we got a 1 or 2-pointer. My guy likes this one. Let me go to him. He likes these quad bottoms. Where is he? Not trader quads. But this guy in the room right here, Corey. Trip bottom. And he picked shop, S-H-O-P, with the same pattern. So if you look at shop right here, it picked it here, here, had a little strong little base going in here, and here, and here, and here. He likes those. So you like that one too, Omer. He likes those. That was Omer. We in play for tomorrow. Nice 2 or 3-pointer. AUPH back down at the stopper, guys. It's going to go into 14, maybe go to the low right now. Test that 1475. We catch it right here. See this bar down here, guys, right down here under the 15 on AUPH. Another trade. to the low. Let's see what she does in the next 5-minute bar. You know what I'm saying? There ain't nothing you're losing on the upside from here at all, except some more downside. That's how you got to play it. You know that from playing Pac-Man so many times, man. Things on the other side of the board. I know I got to make, I know where to go. I know what to do. You know how to play that, baby. What else we got going on? Killers in the market, dude. You want to learn how to get the market? Is the market killing you, dude? You learn how to kill the market, dude. I give you the trigger. Bink. Right there, boy. Are you getting killed? Got to join the MOJO Day Trade team, baby. Absolutely. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. There's AUPH. Told you going lower. No need to buy it at 1505. 1493 now. Told you. Patience of a saint, baby. Patience of a saint. Nice. Clopper retracted a message. You cursing me out, bud? I didn't get no stripe from you, Clopper. I didn't get no join. Savara closed. Closed. Warrior Trading opened a video. 77% accuracy. Small account challenge. Very good. Ooh. All right. Nice. What else we got going on? We're ready for tomorrow, man. Sea change is still up there, but that didn't do that great. Let me see what we sold these babies today. Had a good day, guys. A lot of selling today. A lot of profiting on the 5th. A lot of profiting on the 5th. A lot. Look at all these on the 5th right here. See? Look at all those. Let's see what they are. So you got SPAR at $1.25. Let's talk Novak's at $5 because it went higher and then it came lower. So I'm not going to let a winner turn into a loser if you want to know. You don't do that. So it was closed. Last is 458. It could be 558. Who cares? DGF. Move on. Rumble on. Thing never worked from the get-go. Terrible. Got stopped out at 98 cents. Got 97. Lost 20%. It's good. It's at 87. Stop loss. You see that right there. There you go. Chilly, chill, chill. And then you got the next one, which is CUI at $1.05 to $1.18. As good as $1.19 right now. So did good on that one. It's at 12%. Bat Group at $1.30 is $1.52. Now is $1.51. Did good on that one. Right there, 152. Cassava Sciences at 160, 190. Last is 172. Held it for 4 days. Did great on that one. Seneca at 85 to 98 is 91. 13-day hold. Did great on that one. ITP at 93 to $1.03. 13 days is now at $1. Did great on that one. Celios is next. SEEL at 85 to 105 is now 102. Made 23% in 18 days. Did good on that one. Valarius Holdings, VLRX at 147 to 160 is now 156. Held it for 18 days. 8.8% on that one. Autonomy at 251 to 55 is 50. Sync at 169 to 75 is 72. ACHP from 180 is 99 is now at $1. DPW from 89 is now at 86. We've got Top Ships down 3%. Open position. Got AACG down 8%, open position. Emerson Radio moving to the upside, guys. I love the name, the old name, the technology and radio waves and that kind of stuff. It's good technology. I like the name, Emerson Radio. And Jax is last at $1. And then Crone right here, we've got at 635 is 58, but we have the September 7 calls for 50 cents that will expire in 8 days, and we'll collect 50 cents. So rather than owning it at 635, take 635 and minus 50 cents. The new cost basis on Crone is 585, and we'll sell a 650 call when those expire. ANG is up 5%. UVXY is down on this position currently, but I don't want to change it back, and if I change it all the time. If it's red, it's got to go red. You get notified. Them 7.5% on this covered call, 15.6% on the $16 put. This one is down 6. It was up yesterday. One day it's up, one day it's down. And then these others are down. So they haven't made their move, but I will cut them because they are since 10/20, and my patience is wearing thin, and those funds could be put into other ones that are looking much, much better. Oh my gosh, look at UV, guys. UV. Look at UV. Look. What happened? Just as I'm talking about my UVXY, I may have to turn it back to green right now because they're all up higher, boys. Look at that. I may have to turn it back to green because now it's higher. Now it's 1640. Yup. Now it's profitable. See, I have to turn it back. It's 1640 now. It's green. Can you believe that, dudes? How quickly it turns? And this is 15-minute delayed, so it's going to change. It's going to change. Isn't that cool how that happened right there, just as I was talking about it? That thing spiked like a banshee, man. Damn. Look at that thing. Look at that spike on that UV, boys, huh? You love that. Damn. Got that in this too. I got a bunch of positions in this sucker. That's my swing. I got 298,000 cash available too. I got you guys up 11.3, and I got two positions of UVXY right here that I bought at 1581 and 1576 and 1567. And also down here more. 1567 is the low one. Oh, we're going to buy more UV. Recommend UVXY. Bam. Right there, it's 1595. Let's put in a 15 grand on it. 12-month target is 3 times the price, 16. So we go 30. Let's go to 40. With a stop loss of 95 cents. So we'll go 1450 on the stop. And I just think it's a lot of upside. So set the break out of some support. And here we go. Bam. Out to everybody. I like that. But I want to put a lot more into it because I have 283,000 available to grow into it. So we can build another position of 15 and do the same thing. 42 and 1450. Up, up. That's what we do. We add to the winners, guys. Add to the winners. So let's take some you guys right here and build on my you guys, which is 1034 right now. So we put in the 15 on my you guys, put a target of 30 and a stop loss of 9. Up, up, up. You got to buy the dip, sell the rip. Can't sell these for 5 days. 5-day minimum hold. Yep. You guys. Easy to follow, guys. Easy to follow. Target 30, stop loss 9. That's it, man. What else we got that's doing good? This ATNM is doing crappy. This EXPR is up 26%. Express got 1,000 shares left. Nice. I got it at 392. It's 490. It's enough. Take a profit on 500. This goes notifies everybody. Notifies everybody. I can also send a message to every one of them that's following and into my service by just clicking there and sending them. They all get notified. What does it look like? It looks like this. So you would have got an email just now from Stockhoot saying MOJO Day Trading opened up you guys at 10:33 with a target of 30 and a stop loss of 9 right on this date. And here it is. See? Everything goes. I got hundreds of them today that went out and closed a lot of positions. There you go. Great system. Been doing it for years on there, keeping track and building it. Started with 100 grand. It's 890. Look, just opened UVXY. See, just opened UV at 1622 with a target of 40, a stop loss of 1450. There you go. Beautiful. So what do we got? UV came back down. Let's see what AUPH 1498 doing decent, holding up. PTI at 390 hasn't gone through the 4 and it's just holding right there. So that's it, guys. We did great today. Showed you my trader, $480,000 profit in 34 days. Proven fact in the Mojo Room. Mayav, CGC, all the stocks you see here on my list that we're trading, that we do every day, following my picks and making moves and making it happen. So hopefully you'll do the same. Take advantage of my special, which is a great opportunity. So until the next show, guys, look, PTI, $4. Look, PTI just touched 4. See it with the 812? Look at it. Look at it. 4, Heinzing 4. See it? Totally going through. See it? There's the PTI, guys. There it is, 397 plus. Yep, there it is. Now it's going to build up here and go through 4. Did it go to 401? Nope, went to 4. See, so that's a great way to end it, guys. Showing you on positive expectancy, you can't stop the Heinz. Can't stop the Heinz. Doesn't give you much. If this thing started at 380, we'd be at 412 already. But it started so far down the block, there's no power left in it. Awesome day. Awesome day. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you all tomorrow. I want you to keep it profitable and peace. See you later, guys.